Hello, welcome back to the channel where we try new things to make your family happy, and tonight we're sharing this with you. It's a night out at the Trevi Fountain in Rome, Italy. We just thought we'd share some sights and sounds and maybe some food as well afterwards, but this is how the evening goes down. I feel like I should explain I'm dressed like this because we did plan to have a day at the beach and it went wrong. We missed the bus, so we took the bus in the opposite direction. We came to here, the Trevi Fountain. We walked past the President's Palace. That was very grand and it's beautiful sunset. So this, sorry, you just pointed out I was just about to do a piece to camera, but you're right, his thighs are quite impressive. So this is the presidential palace for the president of Italy, but what's going on with those statues above the entrance there? It looks like they've got some kind of satellite dish on their heads. I don't think it's a halo, is it? Oh well. We're going to get to the Trevi Fountain now, which I think is this way. The Trevi Fountain, which I think is this way. Oh man, what a great view. So the advice from all the YouTubers is go in the evening, go when it's quieter, go see the sights in the evening, and well, thank you YouTube, I think everyone's taking your advice. But this is the Trevi Fountain. We got a prime pitch, but unfortunately it's one of those fountains that we've not seen anywhere. Finally we found one and it's up mummy's skirt. Looks like. Okay, the shoes have come off. And this is a pretty original experience, isn't it? Paddling near the Trevi Fountain.
You're not meant to do, but you're not meant to bathe in the water.
Aren't you?
So that is probably illegal what I'm doing. There's probably cameras.
Look, that is one of the most beautiful things in the world. And here's one of the other most beautiful things in the world. Oh, just here. Which is really close to the Trevi Fountain, and they have a pasta station, a sushi station. You can see the bar behind me, and obviously pizza. The greatest thing of all though is that just over my shoulder are Mario and Luigi, so this must be a good place. They say, you know, if a restaurant is full of Italians, it must be a good Italian restaurant. Well, There's Mario and Luigi.
He gave you a thumbs up.
Didn't.
Recognize the tune.
So you want to see the dishes? Okay, here are the dishes. We've got chicken ramen. From the sushi station, we have another chicken ramen. And then, what did you go for?
Salmon coke. Okay, salmon.
Salmon salad.
Yeah.
Insalate.
Cucumber, avocado, salmon, teriyaki, marinade, edamame, tomatoes, I'm not sure, pickled cabbage, thank you.
And I went for the sake salmon, which looks absolutely delicious. Nice bit of rice there. Oh, can't wait. And some ginger. Oh, shall I break into it? Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. Let's tuck in. Here we go. There's salmon, bit of rice. Oh, good bella. I'm calling this a dad delivers a success. A bit of an impromptu video. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up. I'm getting chef's kiss. I should be going, mwah. Thank you for giving me a chef's kiss. Mwah. Or hitting the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next. Where's Mario?